Affiliate marketing tips you need to know. If you feel like you want to start making some extra money, then maybe getting into affiliate marketing is the thing for you. A lot of people want to get into affiliate marketing, but they aren't sure how they should go about doing it. This video serves as a good place to get started on ways to be successful when it comes to affiliate marketing. When writing copy for affiliate marketing advertising, do your research first. If you can, actually try out the product. The more you know about the item, the more information you'll be able to include in your review. Otherwise, you'll end up using meaningless adjectives and drivel to fill up space in your video. Always start with something you know if you're new to affiliate marketing. It is always easier to build a good site if the subject matter is something you're interested in. Try to immediately branch out too much and you will find the subject matter boring, and feeling too much like a dreaded task. Keyword tracking software can greatly enhance the effectiveness of affiliate marketing programs. Such software lets webmasters see which pages on their websites are visited by surfers looking for particular keywords. With this information, a website owner can tailor such pages to direct his or her visitors to affiliates that offer the products or services that will interest them most. It is important as an affiliate that you send your traffic to quality product pages, not to squeeze in pages and other undesirable pages that may turn them off. You can bypass opt-in pages of websites by using link cloaking tools and sending your customers directly to sales letters and landing pages. Check with your affiliate programs to see if you can receive test products to review. Some companies don't allow this, but there are many that do. The less money you have to put up front, the better. If they don't offer test products, then you may want to look elsewhere for a company to work with. If you want to make more money with your affiliate marketing, write reviews for the products you promote. Make sure you mention any flaws so that you do not lose your credibility or make your readers think that you will do anything to make the sale, even lying about the product. Now that you have a deeper insight on ways you can be successful with affiliate marketing, you will want to start thinking of strategies you can use towards your goals. Apply all of the tools you learned from this video and you should be well on your way to making money through affiliate marketing in no time. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or no SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and Yelp ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.